Yo, okay, so what's up guys? Ito pala si Catbug. And sa pagkakalam ko, lahat ng palabas o pelikula may wika. So, paano kaya kung nawala yun?
I know a straight edge rapper who acts like a sheep herder, a vegan on the mic who's screaming that meat's murder, but when everybody's sleeping he be creeping, slugging back.
Ano kaya pag biglang nawala ang wika? So alam ko naman dati na may malamang lumang na mga palabas. Alam ko naman din yung mga yon ay walang tunog sa pagsasalita. And even though that's the case, alam ko naman may dialogue pa naman sila. So pwede nating sabihin na lahat ng kahit anong panahon may wika. Ako nga, di ko kaya na hindi magsalita kahit isang araw lang. Paano pa kaya buong buhay ko? Anong pang mangyayari sa akin? Ay, sorry pre, sorry. Hindi, okay lang pre, okay lang. Ingat ka, sige. Wow. Sobrang nag-iiba nga yung palabas pag inibay mo yung wika eh. Halimbawa, ito.
I am not in danger, Skylar. I am the danger. A guy opens his door and gets shot, and you think that of me? No. I am the one who knocks.
Wala ako sa panganib, Skyler. Ako nga ang panganib. Isang tao ay bumukas ng pinto at pinaril. At isipin mo ako yun? Hindi. Ako ang kumakatok. Ang weird tignan, no? Kaya paano kaya pag wala na talaga? No, pag ganun ang mundo, ayoko na mabuhay. Ay. So thanks for listening. At may tumatawag sa akin. Peace guys.
Some got hits about the racks that they earn. Say there's Benjamins and Jacksons in their pockets to burn, but when they shoot the video, producers pass around a bucket full of rented jewelry for them to rock in return. I know a straight edge rapper who acts like a sheep herder, a vegan on the mic who's screaming that meat's murder, but when everybody's sleeping he be creeping, slugging back the whiskey, hating himself and sneaking a cheeseburger. There's a pop idol at the top of the charts, and when her record's being cut she's on the beach in St. Bart's, while a session singer who didn't have the face to make it signs a non-disclosure agreement and belts out her parts. It's hard.